Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone, welcome back to my another new video. Today I have come here. This place name is Tista Barrage. Already we have seen the fisherman is catching the fish by the nets. Already they catch many fish of this river. Nice fish. They catch small fishes. This taste is very delicious. The fisherman looks very young. They are so handsome. They catch fishes very well and carefully. This is their profession. Even they are swimming in this river. This river name is Tista River. This is beautiful place. Already I am in this river. I am enjoying this day. Thank you so much.